The Greatest Animal Predation Feats Part 27. Uploaded to the Sisters in Dubai YouTube channel on the 8th of October 2023, showcases the hunting prowess of lionesses. A lone bull Southern African giraffe is shown standing motionless. That is, until a lioness soars on screen, grappling its hindquarters with unsheathed claws and bared teeth. It is then revealed that another lioness is hindering the bull's movement by cuffing one of its back limbs. As the two relentlessly continue their siege on the giraffe, it slowly weakens, eventually collapsing to be strangled to death by his attackers.